Our sparkler bomb that Caleb just took from me. Here's our sparkler bomb. And we're gonna see what happens when we put it in this microwave. Check out this microwave. It's about as nasty as it gets. It looks like there's a piece of hamburger maybe in there. Either that or a smashed frog, who can tell. Well, so in goes the sparkler bomb. Ooh, I touched the nastiness. Okay.
When I light it and close the lid.
The only problem is, if we light it and close the lid and flip it, what if it breaks the...
I think it'll be fine.
But what if it's not? You don't think we should just let the lid blow?
No.
Because,
Go shoot out there.
but look how much force it takes to open the lid. It's not like it's easy to open.
Yeah, I'd say it's easy enough. It's a bomb.
Okay.
You got this, don't worry.
All right. Well, wait, whoa. Not yet. Okay. So what's the plan?
He's gonna light it, close the lid, I'm gonna flip it up, and we're taking off.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna just like be away from this. Don't die.
Back a little bit.
I love it how it's my idea and I'm the one that's not even close. Is it lighting?
Yeah.
All right, I'm going like far away. I think you should get back.
Yeah, a little bit farther, Josh.
Get back farther. All right, I'm scared. Oh, that was cool. That was cool.
What did that?
That was the sparkler. The sparklers are still burning.
Just kick it out of the grass. Oh, okay.
Man! Look at that! That is beautiful. It's good.
Hopefully it didn't blow the magnetron. Magnetron dust is supposed to give you cancer if you breathe it in. So don't breathe that dust that's by Caleb.
Blow the door off? Yes, it
Oh
did.
yeah, I blew the door off.
It come up off
And
the
the
ground.
doors. Hey, check it out. The glass plate didn't even break.
Is that not correct?
No.
No, that is awesome.
The glass plate didn't break.
But the microwave,
The microwave took a hit. Man, it wasn't zoomed in very big on the camera. I'm a little sad about that. It was just like boom.
There's this moment of, I wonder if it's still lit. And go.
Yeah, I was like, is this gonna do anything?
Oh, that was good.
And the nasty frog looking thing's still in there. Man, that was a nasty old microwave.
It is good.